Investigation and analysis of MySQL. This is an investigation and analysis of MySQL source code. MySQL is a relational database management system. It's an open source software. MySQL database server is very fast, reliable and easy to use. The MySQL database software is a client server system. In here, we explain the MySQL source code with the mechanics and coding guidelines which help to maintain the code and improve the product features. In here, we are providing introduction to the MySQL source code with explanations, introduce the mechanics of the source code, coding guidelines, and we are providing best practices for how to maintain the code. MySQL source code is basically developed in C language and C++ language. Let's have a look at how the language is supported to improve the MySQL features. Function names and variable names are nearly English. This is the MySQL insert routine. For the MySQL insert routine, in here highlighted fact is that the function names are and variable names are nearly English. Therefore, the readability and the understandability of the code is easy. So maintainability of the code is also easy. By using open table, check insert field, set up table, set up fields, field record, these kind of more English like variables and function names using in the source code, it's really easy to programmer to understand what's the meaning of open L table. What is done by using that variable name, what is done by using that function. Just don't need to